It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Monday, the 11th of January. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions and temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages for the first half of the week. Then a warming trend takes over where readings go well above normal by the weekend and probably are going to stay there for a while. And the really bad news on this is that dry conditions will prevail all the way through the forecast period. Let's get into it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 67 degrees, the afternoon high, 40 was the morning low. The normal high, 67, the normal low, 45. And outside now here just after 6 o'clock, clear sky out there to begin this day, and we're sitting at 51 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 20, relative humidity 29%, the wind from the east at 13 miles per hour, and the pressure 30.20 inches and rising. Temperatures around the area right now, 30, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. It is 36 in Gilbert, 38 in Tolleson. Most locations through the metro are in the 40s and even a couple of 50s on the board. Taking a peek at the weather across the country this morning, check out that cold upper low near the Arklatex region, and that is bringing plenty of inclement weather down there. We'll talk about that in a moment. High pressure building in from the west here, and so that's going to mean dry conditions and a warming trend ultimately. Here's the watch warning map. Look at that. Winter weather advisories and even some winter storm warnings for, of all places, Shreveport and Alexandria, Louisiana, over toward Greenville and Jackson, Mississippi, extending all the way east into parts of western Alabama. You've got snowflakes flying there, 2 to 4 inches in some spots. Yeah, big snowstorm in the deep south. Elsewhere, we've got some wind issues across central and eastern Montana, some dense fog over the valleys of California. Convective outlook for today with much of the nation in cool, stable air. No severe weather, no thunderstorms expected. And here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, basically nothing statewide, not much to speak of region-wide. The heaviest totals up across the Pacific Northwest. And that's where all of the action is going to stay for the foreseeable future as we are locked into this weather pattern. We'll break it down as we take a look at modeling. Here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper low over the deep south. We've got a ridge to the west here. So down at the surface, sunny sky today, highs in the mid-60s, right about where we ought to be for this time of year. Tonight with clear sky and dry air, overnight lows should drop into the 30s to about 40. And then tomorrow, once again, sunny, highs mid-60s. Upper 60s on Wednesday with sunny sky. Thursday, mostly sunny, highs warming up as high pressure builds in. We should be in the low to middle 70s. Mid or perhaps upper 70s on Friday with mostly sunny sky. And then over the weekend with high pressure sitting to the west of us and a dry northwesterly flow, we remain with sunny skies for both Saturday and Sunday. Highs each day in the mid-70s, overnight lows in the 40s. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 18th of January, a 588 ridge off the west coast. Upper heights here in the valley, somewhere between about 575, 578 decameters, somewhere in that range. So high temperatures still probably in the low to middle 70s. Let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday, the 20th of January, and we've got a big trough now diving into the western states, but the bad news for us is that this is going to move over land, and so it's not going to be picking up any moisture this far south. It just spells out cooler temperatures for us potentially, but no precipitation. Speaking of, here's a look at rainfall off of the European ensemble for the next couple of weeks. Most of the members keep us dry. The ensemble mean is only a shade over 1/10 of an inch, so we're not expecting any significant precipitation anytime soon, if any at all. And temperatures off the national blend of models. Mid-60s today, tomorrow warming it up as we go through the rest of the week. We'll get well up into the 70s, overnight lows in the 40s. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have yourselves an amazing Monday.